Unboxing and power up. Epson Ecotank L121 a 4-ink tank printer. Fast quality printing made affordable. Expect great efficiency when printing with the Ecotank L121. Enjoy fast print performance and low cost per page, with high print yield of up to 4,500 pages for black and white and 7,500 pages for color. Sleek and compact, this is the perfect fit for offices with limited space. Experience quality printing that is priced reasonably. Get this ideal printing solution for your home office today. Print speed of up to 9.0 ipmem black and 4.8 ipmem color. Ultra high page yield of 4,500 pages black and 7,500 pages color. 2-year warranty or 20,000 pages, whichever comes first. Powered by Epson Heat-Free Technology. Epson Heat-Free Technology. Achieve high-speed printing at low power consumption with Epson Heat-Free Technology, as no heat is required during the ink ejection process. Impressive print speed. Constantly improving to meet the printing needs of small business owners, Ecotank L121 features printing speeds of up to 9.0 ipm for black and white and 4.8 ipm for color to deliver reliable work productivity. Superb savings and page yield. Don't compromise on cost as you print. With Ecotank L121, you'll be able to save costs as each set of bottle inks has an ultra-high yield of 4,500 for black and 7,500 pages for color. Quality that shines. Value that lasts. Epson genuine ink bottles are formulated to deliver outstanding high-volume print quality with Ecotank printers. Every bottle is individually sealed to ensure the purity of ink and comes with a smart tip designed for mess-free refills. Choose Epson genuine ink bottles to enjoy lasting quality with your printer and low printing costs. Epson warranty for peace of mind. Enjoy warranty coverage of up to 2 years or 20,000 prints, whichever comes first, for maximum value from your printer and freedom from worries over its maintenance. Epson's warranty includes coverage of printhead, which is most important for a printer designed for high-volume printing. Thank you for watching, and please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button to stay updated of my videos.